What's up, everybody? It is Mr. Jenkins here from MGMClassicCars.com, Addison, Illinois, and today I'm coming at you with this new arrival we just got in. I'm going to give you my thoughts and opinions on it. 1967 Chevrolet Camaro. Let's dive in here. First off, I got this thing running, and let me tell you, it runs great and sounds great. It's got a 350, headers, nice cam. I want to say some Vortec heads. Very, very nice stout engine. Runs great and sounds wonderful. The engine bay is really clean. You got a Be Cool aluminum radiator. You got painted inner fender wells. It looks like somebody completely redid this. The engine's really clean. HEI ignition. Dual plane air gap intake manifold. Just a really nice setup. You got disc brakes in the front. And I believe disc in the back. Take a look under here. You got dual exhaust. Sounds great. Just runs great. Really nice sounding car. Just sounds excellent. So I got the car turned off. Let's go in the interior. Center console, nothing special. Horseshoe shifter, really nice. You got some odometer gauges down there. Love the look of that. Ashtray, nothing in there. Got like a retro sound radio. Let me turn the key back on. Here the electric fan kicks on right away. Wipers, they do in fact work. Your cigarette lighter, let me pull it out first. Of course, burnt out. They all are. Your glove box. That's going to be a little challenging to open. You know, these old GM glove boxes. But we could have our service department look at getting that thing easier to open. Like I said, we have a full service center. Talk to your sales representative if you want a quote on anything that needs to be done on our cars. They will talk to the service center, get you a quote. Let's turn the lights on, see if the lights work. Headlights do in fact work. Really sunny outside, so it's hard to see them right now. Now this is a 67, so it does not have any side marker lights. It's got vent windows. Tail lights work. Now, something about this car, it has deluxe seats, but the door panels seem to be the regular door panels. Horn works. Let's turn the key on. Turn the blinkers on. Like I said, you can hear that fan come on as soon as you turn the key on. Front blinker, left work. Back works as well. Let's turn the other one on. Other one is on. BF Goodrich radial TAs. With Vision 15-inch wheels. I mean, this car's, if you want a first-gen Camaro, I mean, this is a really nice one. Radio works. It's like a retro sound.
Taking in the sights with the skyline as your backdrop. Go to City
Sounds
Cruises.
great. You got speakers in the kick panels down there. And speakers back there. Sounds great. Love it. Turn the key off. Interior, I mean, it's really nothing crazy, really stock appearing. How it would be if you bought it in 1967 for the most part. 3-spoke wood steering wheels, more of a Corvette thing. They were an option. You could have got them on any GM car. My favorite GM steering wheel, personally, they were the rosewood and the walnut. That's the walnut version. Let's get this trunk open. Here in the trunk, your quarter panel's really nice. Body on this car is really nice. Whoever did this car did a great job on it. I mean, there you go. Pretty standard here jacking instructions, and that's about it. Closes beautifully. Just look at that. All your chrome is in great shape. The paint, it's very nice. I mean, it shines really nicely. Not any metallic in it or anything, just a base red. I mean, you got some tinted glass. 2-inch cowl hood. And like I said, the engine bay very clean. Let's go ahead and give this hood a shut. It's got all the SS stuff on it, the SS 350 badges, SS. But then you got pretty much, I mean, it appears stock. The only thing that doesn't look stock are the wheels on it, and I think these wheels fit this car wonderfully. If you're looking for a 67 Camaro, you could get in and drive almost anywhere. I mean, this is pretty much the car. It's not, you know, a race car by any means, but it is a very fun car to drive. It's got a lot of power when you put your foot to the ground. It's very fun for what it is. The paint, pretty nice paint, presents itself well. I would say a very presentable driver this car is. Got the stripe right there, the SS stripe. Just a really cool car. And like I said, this one's probably not going to last long. One of the nicer 67 Camaros you'll see out there in the world. If you are interested in this 1967 Chevrolet Camaro, please give us a call at 847-848-1850. It is located at our warehouse in Addison, Illinois, where we have around 250 cars in stock. We also offer special financing with great monthly payments and shipping all over the United States, open and enclosed, bonded and insured. Our business hours are 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Monday through Friday, Saturday 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. all by appointment only. Make sure you make an appointment. We just had our showroom remodeled, and does it look better than ever? We keep getting new cars in almost every day, so keep checking the website and the YouTube channel to see the new inventory. You are not going to want to miss a thing. Let's get the car of your dreams home in your garage or in your driveway. Have a great day, everyone. I want to thank everyone for watching. We all really appreciate it, and I hope to see you here soon at MGM Classic Cars. Don't forget, it sure looks good here, but it'll look a whole lot better in your garage, in your possession. Have a great day, everyone, and thanks for watching. See you soon. Mr. Jenkins out.